Oh, good morning, y'all. We still here in East Texas, and as you can tell, can't nobody see nothing. We had to move out of the way just in case we hear a boat coming up behind us, so we don't get run over. But the wind ain't blowing today, at least, so it ain't blowing the fog out of here probably for a while. We're gonna see if we can't get on some more crappie, and maybe the bass will be eating today since the wind ain't supposed to be blowing 3 million miles an hour. But we'll see. Hopefully we rip some lips and get some hogs in the boat. Come join us. Let's go. Oof. Did you hear that duck? As y'all remember, I got some JDM baits from the local tackle shop there in Stephenville. We got on the crappie bite. I think we're gonna try the bug ants. I don't even know what brand this is. Norio Tanabe. I can't read that. If anybody else can, let me know what it says. I'm just trying to see my. Uh-oh, I just got hit.
You got a baby?
Decent. Get in here, buddy. Oh, in the net. Hell yeah. The bug ant first. Hey, first cast. First cast. That is crazy. Heck yeah. Nice. On the bug ant. Hell yeah. Sick. Hey, man. I wonder who they're all waiting for us. Hey, I just got pecked, I think, unless that was you. Unless you hit my line, I think I just got pecked. Oh, come on. What the hell was that? Yep. I think I got bit. You said there was a hole right there. Maybe I fell into the hole. That's why he was pecking at it. No. Need to tighten up my drag. I know that. Heck yeah. I'm pretty good at picking colors, I think. And that's why I like this high vis line, because I don't think I'd have really known if he was biting it or not without it. Oh. Get him over here. Hell yeah. Take our leftovers, you dumb bitch. He is fat. Engorged. I just heard something jump. Find the humps. The hump. Hey. Feels like it. Yep. On the red bug. Holy shit.
Look how white that is.
I didn't even feel him hit it. It was just pressure. No fish in here.
See how cold that fish is.
Oof.
How white he is. Man, I guess I'm gonna get my little fucking crawfish out. Are you gonna have to give me one of them?
I'll give you one. Hell yeah. JDM for the win. I'm weighing this one.
I know these things will probably work because they ain't seen them, you know? What kind of around this spot like that?
It was right back there, that little pad. So
That's might be 4 pounds.
he ain't as full as the other ones, that's for sure. He's a little skinnier guy. 408. Cold guy. Look how white that stuff is. I'm talking to the phone. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Ugh. You're gonna yourself. You're going to yourself. You snag him. Now what is that? Maybe that's just the thing, but you see that little fuzzy thing at the side?
Look.
Oh, get him.
Finally. Where's he at? We gonna get to see what the hell it is.
Oh, I just got hit up. Unless you hit me. No, I'm down there. What the f? Are these all little catfish? No way, these are just...
That nasty motherfucker. I don't want him on my goddamn hole.
You done hooked him in the side through.
Don't start flipping and fin me, you mother.
You can't even grab him good because you on the pliers. You think he swiped at it, or you think he just?
What he did. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have pliers. I need one of those.
All right, I'll let my pole fall in the water.
I don't think I can feel for that.
What the hell?
I'm about to get pissed over this.
I'm sorry, Dad. It ain't that funny, but. See, like there's fish suspended. Oh my God! Come on. The hell was that? Damn. No way. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up, you son of a bitch! Shut the f***. I'm pissed. Which one do I turn on?